Hey YouTube, welcome back to Urban Backyard Container Gardening. Today I'm going to do a product review of the LetPot LPH Max system. So out of the box, let's see what we have. First and foremost, we have the user manual. Let's get this out of the way. We lift the top off a little bit and take this off. One of the biggest differences immediately seen is you have a two-system top for larger plants such as tomatoes or beans. So that's one of the improvements. Take out the packaging tape. Another difference is there are 21 planting areas, definitely more than what the last one held. And you also have this knob here that will allow you to add more water to the base or the tank itself. And just like with the other one, inside the tank, you have your supplies. You have 21 sponges for the small. You have 21 baskets for the small. You have covers. You have plant supports. And you have also the labels. I don't think I'm going to use the labels this time. Here you have the two large sponges and the large baskets for the other system. You have your plant food, plant A and plant B. You have your stickers to cover the two large planting areas. And you have your stickers for the 21 small planting areas. You have power supply cord. And we have the tubing, and it looks like this. One part has a metal end on it. This is the end that you put into your water source. In this case, for the purpose of this demonstration, I'm going to take it and put it into this container of water here. And then I'm going to take the end of this and secure it to the base of the tank. You have to make sure that it is secured very well, because otherwise you will have a leak and you don't want that. Okay, that's all in. Now let's plug in the cord. And the system is on. Now I'm going to manually or automatically fill it with water. Okay. Hopefully you can hear water is now being automatically put into the tank. Now you can allow this to do it manually. I'm sorry, automatically, or you can do it manually. This is kind of loud, so I'm going to go ahead and complete this manually. Hopefully you can see, but you're looking at the maximum and minimum water fill line, and you can see that I have it filled just below the max. And what we're going to do next, or what I've done next, is fill both of the plant food containers with the appropriate amount of distilled water. I'm going to shake them up and let them dissolve, and then I'm going to put them in here. I think that they're all mixed together. So we're going to pour into here, part A. And we're going to pour part B. And close it up. Now, once the system is on, it will automatically pump the plant food into the water. Okay, and it has been successfully set up. And just like on the other one, it comes preset to the mode vegetables and spices. The lights will run from 7 a.m. until 11 p.m. and the brightness level is set at 6. And I'm going to sit on the automatic mode, and now I'm going to turn it off just to show you that it could do it there. Okay, on the front, you have an on-off switch. You have a plant mode. Right now it's set to vegetable and herbs. You have your water level. You have the brightness. And you have the pump mode, operational or manual. And that's it for the new system. Overall, I think it's going to be good for me, and I like it. So in the comments, in the description portion rather of the film, there will be a discount code if you're interested in purchasing it. By all means, head over and get you one. And until next time, always remember, even in small spaces such as mine, you can grow a great amount of food for yourself and your family. Stay strong, stay blessed, and grow, grow, grow. Lastly, remember to give the thanks to God, for without him, we are nothing. Take care.